Portable manual coffee grinder set. Professional conical ceramic Burrs stainless steel grinder, easy to clean for home, travel, outdoor. Rock solid, made of 304 brushed stainless steel. Not worry about rust. The crank is strong and sturdy, and it's just the right length to give you enough leverage to make grinding easy. The Pear wood handle head is more durable and beautiful than the plastic material of old style. Saves space, little hand coffee mill. Capacity 30 grams for 3 to 4 people. It is lightweight and portable to pop in your luggage without eating up too much room to travel, hotel, go hiking or camping. Humanized design. The bottom is made of a soft, ultra-fiber leather design. It is comfortable to handle and durable, wear-resistant, breathable, as well as a non-slip effect when you hold in hand. Ease of cleaning. Taking the grinder apart to clean is relatively easy. We offer a coffee grinder brush. Will be able to get inside a grinder and to the Burrs to clean it properly. Consistency. Rotating the bottom black conical ceramic Burrs cord can adjust consistency with coarse grounds due to the wobble on the Burrs to hold the taste of the coffee in best. Adjusted along the clockwise, the grinding powder will become fine, while along counterclockwise the grinding powder will become crude. Just depend on what you like. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.